Ia. E mua lava no whaatulou. O teia vai a whei, vai sau sauina o tau malu o lasi o tau saan whai ngā. Ma whea foi la pe upu. O au te la longa. Sara ngana tau tau whaatulou. O le trou lea. O fotua e nei mauna o Samoa. O i te foi whanua lalo ina o singa ngalu. Nei o sopolola kutia. Ale a o le seu te piringa na vau. La o seu whamata kuanga se tau pa i Samoa le au mala. Lela o umantu la pule nei upo sa. Toi a inga foi manua le o mala. E vi e lo suafa. A i ola no le karata. For the benefit of our English-speaking friends, I would like to extend a very warm welcome to each and every one of you here tonight. Welcome to those who have traveled from overseas to be here with us. But most of all, welcome to the community of Penang. Thank you for being here. Your presence is most appreciated. And I would also like to extend a very warm welcome to different denominations who are here with us tonight. You are most welcome. I don't know what my son thinks of his birthday today, but to me and to the family, we are very proud of him. We are proud because he has, ever since as a youngster, he has always told us that he wants to be a priest. He's never diverted from what he wanted as a little kid, right up to the time he went to the seminary. I even, when he was there, took him out and told him to take a year out because I wasn't sure whether he would make it or not. How wrong I was. But anyway, he has made us very proud. I wish my wife was here to witness all of this. With this ado, I would like to thank each and everybody here tonight. May God bless you. Thank you.
Yeah. Mataya tu la kioga ya Fonoti, kisai foi ma saunoanga mata mohi. Ya wa foi pa ia ma mamo ma hagi. Ya mai se sa mo ma fanga po mai ni ya. Yo que ma ko la pa na son tempo para me pio ya so ma ta moi.
So
Kapta yatu le.